This is 2025. That's a fact. Period, full stop. A lot of stuff happened to people last year. Period, full stop. Because we're human. Stuff happens. Either you choose to learn from it or not. Because if you don't learn from it, you're not moving on, so you're not letting it pass. So you just pick up all your dirty laundry and luggage from 2024, and you make a choice. Come on, let me drag all this mess right here, 2025. And it's going to be a fresh start. How many of y'all have truly focused on who you are, where you going, and don't have time to blame nobody else? How many of y'all call yourselves out in truth? A lot of people don't. I saw some hands raised, and a lot of people don't. Sometimes you got to learn to work your environment. Sometimes you got to learn to readjust to your environment. Now, but why do I have to? The second you say that means you have not changed. The behaviors that we have convinced ourselves is normal.
Beautiful, beautiful full moon night. First full moon of the year. Monday night manicure. It's looking very nice. This is a polish by Sally Hansen. The name of the color is ASAP Apple. Complements my skin tone, and I'm just keeping my word to myself and just taking good care of my hands.
Can I tell you what would make me feel better?
What's that?
Having a little Robux. That would definitely make me feel a little better.
Having a little what?
Robux. It would make me feel a little better.
Wow. Okay. Oh.
That's the only thing that I feel like would make me better.
Wow. Not a hug. I can give you a hug.
The only thing that would make me feel better right now is just a little Robux.
Sir, you said that already, and we definitely need to have a discussion about that. But yeah, my book has arrived. I'm excited. All right, so the book has arrived. It is called This Time Around. This is the romance novel. Y'all, I really loved what I read about this book. I also had, I listened to a review on it, and it seems like just the juicy romance novel that I need. So I'm excited about it. Y'all see this cassette tape, right? And this disc, right? Computer disc. So, you know, and a CD. So, you know, it's gonna be some familiar stuff in this book. I'm very excited. I'm gonna save this romance novel for February, simply because romance in February kind of goes hand in hand. And I'm expecting to be done with my other book, Conjure Woman, by then. So I'm reading through Conjure Woman, but I'm looking forward to this one right here. I really am. I really, really am. So you have time if you want to read with me. I know I'm being ambitious, but if you want to read with me, grab you a copy. A little romance, time travel. Does that entice you? All right, guys. So Foodie got his next book in the Dogman series. So he's been reading the Dave Pilkey books and really, really enjoying them. So this should keep him busy and entertained for another day. He runs through these books in a day. And if you're hearing that little motor in the back, that is my space heater because I am cold. I do not feel good. seems like, yeah, I've come down with a little something, and I'm definitely gonna try to fight it. And I got some needle stoppers. Needle stoppers go at the top of your knitting needles. Basically, they stop your project from falling off. And I'll show you how those work at some point if you don't know. But yeah, these are my needle stoppers. Nothing is so cute. Look at that peace sign and the fist in the air. And I'm gonna take this one as a high five. These are so cute. Kroger delivered the palm olive to me by accident. I wasn't expecting this, so I don't know. This one was a mistake. However, you guys, as I'm using it, it is bringing me back to my childhood. Palm olive had to have been what my mom used, because the moment I started washing my dishes with this, all I could remember was childhood. My childhood came right back to me. Now I'm taking a sniff of this, and all I can smell is my childhood. So I gotta call my mom. Mom, what did we use to wash our dishes? Clearly it was palm olive. I did not feel good today. I did not go into work. Literally, because I cannot give to that organization today. I need to give to myself, and it feels like it's just rest and tea, rest and tea. It is a tomato soup kind of night. I ran out of my eucalyptus oil, so I have to use some peppermint oil, but I am going to get this in my diffuser so we can kind of get our breathing together. Another really, really good thing to do, if you can stand it, is put a little drop of the peppermint oil right under your tongue. It just really opens you up. So we're gonna add this to the diffuser and get this going. I need to order some eucalyptus oil, because normally I would just put a couple drops under the kid's pillow, and that really helps them to have a comfortable rest. So we're just gonna do it this way for now until I get everything that I need. So that's what we'll be doing this weekend, just trying to like tackle this cold and do what we gotta do to get better, because being sick is ghetto. I'm just making a mess. Okay. I'm gonna add about 10 drops.